Thank you for tuning in with Chlorine King. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss anything. If you need any help with your business, then join my Patreon, links below, where you will improve your business and get exclusive discounts with my partners in the industry. Check out the sponsors for this video. 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐫 will revolutionize the efficiency of your business and communication for your clients all in one modern and easy to use app. With everything you need to run your pool business with software that rocks, click the link below to learn more. Riptide Pool Vacuum Systems will allow you to service more pools per day and feel more refreshed at the end of it. With the blow-off proof bags, the most powerful vac head, awesome transport rack, and so much more, check out the link below. Now, let's get to the video.
This message is not intended to cause pandemonium. There is still a pandemic going on. Stay inside. I repeat, stay inside.
It's pandemonium, we in a pandemic. Everybody scared to swim. This pool don't need no skimming. Turn off the pump, shut it down, cover up. Quarantine, I need 6 feet. Better back it up. It's pandemonium, we in a pandemic. Everybody scared to swim. This pool don't need no skimming. The water staying still, we ain't even on the grill. When the whole world frozen, we just stay inside and chill. It's like a ghost town, don't nobody come around. Tiptoeing everywhere, nobody make a sound. Them backyard parties had to shut it down. Pool looking like a swamp, that Henny kinda brown. When it's over, I'ma call Chlorine King. The only ones that can get the pool clean now. Ain't nobody used it in a minute. We all wearing masks, still like the very beginning. Now what the news say, a variation every day. I'm trying to swim with my homies, man. I wish this was for play. Inside is where I stay, don't wanna take the risk. Relaxing in the pool, the only thing I miss. I'm staring at the pool through my window pane. Can't stop these tears from falling, I'ma let it rain. My vision of swimming, it just went down the drain. If this lockdown don't end soon, I just might go insane. It's pandemonium, we in a pandemic. Everybody scared to swim. This pool don't need no skimming. Turn off the pump, shut it down, cover up. Quarantine, I need 6 feet. Better back it up. It's pandemonium, we in a pandemic. Everybody scared to swim. This pool don't need no skimming. The water staying still, we ain't even on the grill. When the whole world frozen, we just stay inside and chill. Pandemonium, I'm about to reach the limit. Don't wanna break the rules, but I'm about to bend it now. Restrictions got me pressed, so it's time to end it. Call a couple friends over, we about to get to swimming. Hit the water, make a big splash. Too good to be true, I wonder how long this gon' last. Somebody bring a bottle, I'ma need a glass. We all vaccinated, so we taking off the mask. Nah, the new normal, it got me kinda pressed. Scared to have some fun, it got everybody stressed. Nah, apprehensive, I must confess. Never used to second guess, man, how we get into this mess. I'm staring at the pool through the window pane. Can't stop these tears, I'ma let it rain. My vision of swimming, it just went down the drain. This lockdown got me about to go insane. It's pandemonium, we in a pandemic. Everybody scared to swim. This pool don't need no skimming. Turn off the pump, shut it down, cover up. Quarantine, I need 6 feet. Better back it up. It's pandemonium, we in a pandemic. Everybody scared to swim. This pool don't need no skimming. The water staying still, we ain't even on the grill. When the whole world frozen, we just stay inside and chill.
The best pool service is Chlorine King.